In the context of global digitalization, the traditional outdated trading methods of the non-standard spare parts industry are no longer appropriate, and supply chain synergy integration has become an inevitable trend in industrial development. In the face of the pain points of global customers purchasing non-standard spare parts, how to quickly respond to customer needs and ensure the security of the supply chain has become the key to enterprise competitiveness. As a professional, non-standard parts customization collaborative trading platform, Findtop is committed to helping purchasers optimize the supply chain, improve purchasing efficiency, reduce purchasing costs, ensure product quality, and provide integrated solutions with the fastest speed for customers, including product design, instant quotation, mass production, post-processing, warehousing and logistics, and after-sales service. At the same time, we also provide traditional manufacturers with long-term stable orders, digitally empower and improve information management level, and achieve win-win results. The company headquarters is located in Guangzhou, the center of China's manufacturing Bay Area. It has 3 major service locations in China, the United States, and Mexico, and its sales coverage is worldwide. Our strategic partners exceed 10,000, and production bases are located in major cities across China. We have advanced production equipment, a professional engineering team, and ample and timely response capacity to meet customers' various non-standard spare parts procurement needs. The company was founded by a multinational team from world-class universities and has more than 10 years of extensive experience in the industry. Our product processes include machining, stamping, sheet metal processing, testing, forging, injection molding, mold manufacturing, rubber products, fasteners, powder metallurgy, 3D printing, surface treatment, and other types. The company has independently developed a non-standard spare parts automated procurement and transaction management system, which greatly improves the transaction management efficiency of the industry and realizes full process online visual management. The company has a strict quality management system equipped with advanced quality inspection equipment, implements full staff and full process quality control to ensure that product quality reaches the industry-leading level. It also adopts an intelligent warehouse management system, including RFID technology, mobile scanners, and so on, achieve near real-time monitoring, greatly improve warehouse operation efficiency, shorten delivery periods, and provide customers with fast and flexible services. With excellent product quality, efficient operation mode, and humanized customer service, Findtop has established a good corporate image. We are committed to creating higher economic value for customers and partners through technological innovation and intelligent manufacturing, and jointly exploring a broader future. Findtop looks forward to cooperating with you.